Hello, namaste, sat shri akal, vanakkam, hola, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, privet, bonjour, ahoy. Hey genius, welcome back to our channel. So this is 2025 and wish you all a very happy new year. I'm sure in this new year, many of us are desired to be a successful and big YouTuber. Now the first step of being a big YouTuber is to create a YouTube channel and give it a proper name. Now what can be a proper name? So your channel name has to be according to your channel niche and it has to be unique as well as attractive. So in this video, I'll show you how to find out an unique and attractive channel name. So let's see this video. So first I will show you how you can find your channel name by the help of AI. So I will open ChatGPT here. Now if you are opening ChatGPT for the first time, you have to log in through your Gmail account. As I have already opened it before, so I can simply open it now. So because my channel is education based, so I will ask the ChatGPT to generate a list which will be the name of educational channels. So give a list of unique channel names for example, I will say for a science channel. Now ChatGPT is generating a list of names. You can see Science Odyssey, Fission and Fusion, Infinite Wonders. Now if you like any name, you can pick that one. Or to be more specific, I'll edit this and I will tell them by keeping one word as science. Because my channel is science related, so I want to keep one word as science. So now let's see what are the options that ChatGPT is giving me. Spark Science, Beyond Science, Pulse Science, Science Sphere, Eco Science, Quantum Science, Curious Science, Science Voyager, Nexus Science. So all these options are generated using ChatGPT. If you like any of them, you can use it. Now I will show one more thing. So once you get a name, you need to verify whether there is any other channel using that name or not. For example, I'll show you my channel. So I'll go to YouTube. Now earlier I kept my channel name as Science Stories and later I changed it to Science Fun Factory. But we need to verify whether there is any other existing channel with the same name or not. So for that, you can go to YouTube and here in the search panel, you can type Science Stories. Now if you search like that, you will get all kind of videos and channels. So I will filter it. So here you can see channel option. So I will click on the channel and I will ask YouTube to show only the channels containing the name or similar name of Science Stories. Now you can see iBiology Science Stories, Science Max, Science Stories Africa, Science Stories, Life Science Stories, Science Stories Rakib Islam, again Science Stories. So you can see this name Science Stories is already taken. So later I changed it to Science Fun Factory. Now let's see whether that name is taken or not. So if I search Science Fun Factory, the first channel is actually my channel. And if I see other channels, then I can see there are some more channels having the same name of Science Fun Factory. You can see same name of Science Fun Factory or similar kind of name. So I need to change the channel name again because I want to create a unique channel name. For this, I decided to keep my channel's name as Untold Science Stories. So now I will search it whether there is any other channel with the same name or not. And so as you can see, if we search Untold Science Stories, so still now there is no such channel having the name Untold Science Stories. So that's why now I will change my channel's name to Untold Science Stories. And to do that, first you have to click here in the top right corner and then you will have to go to YouTube Studio. Now in this part, I will show you how you can change your channel's name from YouTube Studio. So first you have to open YouTube Studio in your laptop or desktop. And then you have to go to customization. In the left hand side, you will get this customization icon. So if you click there, you will get the option to put banner image or to change the logo of your channel or to change the name and handle of your channel. So as I'm changing my channel's name to Untold Science Stories, so at the same time, I will change the handle as well. And this is allowed only a few times. You can change twice on every 14 days. So you cannot change your channel name or handle infinite times. So if you change now, then within 14 days, you can change one more time. And if you want to change again, then you have to wait some time. So after doing the changes here, I have to go to this top right corner and here you can see this publish option. So there we have to click on this publish option. So now let's see whether the change is reflecting on the channel or not. So I will cut it. So again I will go in the YouTube. So as you can see, the channel name has been changed here to Untold Science Stories. So in the next video I'll show you how you can make a logo for your channel.